Hello everyone, welcome to my first Java tutorial. I'm going to show you match operator, how you can use them to calculate numbers in Java. So let's get started. To create a folder on the desktop, right click on new folder, and then from here we're going to rename this folder Learn Java. Now let's get to Eclipse. Click on it, and we're going to change our workspace on the desktop in the folder Learn Java. Let's browse. Click on desktop, Learn Java. Okay, now we look at the directory home join desktop Learn Java, and this is going to be our workspace. Let's click OK. Let's maximize, and we create our first project. We go to File, New. We call this project Java project. Next, and we're going to have a project name called match operator. So we're going to summarize it, match operator. Click on finish, click yes, and we already have our first package in the folder match operator, and we only need to create a class, and this class we're going to call it addition. The method is going to be public. Public means everyone can access it. Public static void. So click finish, and we're going to minimize the outline and the welcome screen. Let's talk about comments. We have a multi-line comment here in Java. We can write adding numbers in Java. We can also change the single line comment to my first Java project. Now let's declare numbers using integer. We call integer x to be 1000, and then integer y to be 2000. We're going to have integer result which is going to be x equals to y, and we end the line. Then we're going to print our result using system.out.println, and we're going to write result, and we end the line. Hopefully we have no syntax error, and we can click run addition.java. Click OK. So we can see when we add, alright, we just said x equals to y. Let's just change this to the asterisk symbol and we run. So we can see we have multiplied this number, but we are supposed to add the number, and we run, and this is going to be 1200. This is how you can play around with match operator. So you can change to subtraction, then you run, you get 800, You can divide, you get 5. You can get the remainder using the model, which is going to be 0. If we change to 250 and we run 251 probably, if you want to see the remainder, then we say okay, so I'll get the remainder will be 247. And this is how you can use Java to calculate numbers using the math operator: addition, plus, subtraction, minus, multiplication using the asterisk symbol, and then division using the /. And in my next video I'll be taking you how to calculate your edge, but for this video we can even use the math operator to calculate the area of a rectangle. All we need to do, we need to create another class and we call it area. So we're going to click on finish, and we don't need this now because we have seen the multi-line comment, and maybe we use the single line comment and say area of a rectangle, and it's normally given area, which is going to be the length times the width. We need to declare now our integer length to be 6, we end the line, integer width to be 3, end the line, and we call integer area to be length times the width. Hopefully we have no error, and we're now going to use the system SYSO, then press the control key and space, SYSO control space to print, and we call it area. And hopefully we do not, we are already fine, so we can run area.java. So we click OK, and we are going to get 18. And this is exactly how you can use Java to calculate numbers or calculate the areas of a rectangle. So if you like this video, please subscribe to desmocast.com. Thank you.